Hello! So for my tutorial, I wanted to show you how to use Google Docs, which is a completely free tool that teachers can use. And when you search for Google Docs, the first link that you'll come to, this is what it looks like when you bring it up, and attached is Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. So while it is free, all you need to do is sign up for a Google account, and in this you'll get an email address and all of the other sorts of things, but these are all little apps that come along with your Google account. So specifically when you click on Google Docs, this is the screen that will show up, and this is my Google Doc account, and it has several of my different assignments that I've been working on this past semester. Now I'm pretty new to using Google Docs also, but I find it to be quite easy because it's very similar to Microsoft Word. Just for an example, I will show you the syllabus to the class that this is for. And as you can see, it really does look a lot like a Microsoft Word document. If you look at something like this teacher study that I did for a class, you can see at the top there are all the same little tabs that there are on Microsoft Word. You can change the font, you can change the size, you can change your margins, you can change the placement of the text. It's all very similar to Microsoft Word. What's nice about this is that you can collaborate with other people if they have any comments to make on your papers, or being a teacher, if you collaborate with your students, if they share it with you, you can make comments on their papers and watch their progress. So you would just click on this share button up here. You would type in the email address of your student, or they would type in your email address, and then you can work on the same paper that they are. So going back to this main screen, if we now go over to Google Sheets, this is like Microsoft Excel. If you click on this little plus sign over here, it opens up the spreadsheet, it opens up a new one. There was the same thing on Google Docs. If you need to open up a new document, that little plus sign in the corner will open it all up. And this also looks a lot like what Microsoft Excel looks like. So the transition from using Microsoft to using Google is quite easy. And you can create graphs, and it really has all of the same, it really does all the same things that Excel does. Next, you can go, or we can go to Google Slides, and this is where students can work on presentations, PowerPoint presentations. Google Slides is the same thing as PowerPoint. These are some of the PowerPoints that I've been working on for class. I think that this was a PowerPoint that we did for our reading and writing across the curriculum class. This was one of the PowerPoints that our teacher posted. But this is a PowerPoint that I created with two other students. And what's nice is that we can collaborate. So I can work on my slides while Anna and Brandon can work on their slides. So it's really nice. We can all be on here at the same time. If Anna writes something that I don't like, or Brandon writes something, or I write something and Brandon doesn't like it, we can all fix each other's work and figure it out. But it's a great tool for collaboration. And then the last tool was Google Forms. Now this is a really interesting tool. You can create quizzes for your students and then post them out through Google, and your students can find them and take the quizzes or answer the questions, and it will actually get all the data from all of their answers together and put it in a Google spreadsheet. So you'll have all of your data together. But using online quizzes is a great way to get technology into the classroom and to get your students using their devices in a productive way. So that's about it for these different Google tools. But like I said, it's free. Students get to collaborate with each other. They are using technology in an effective way, and it will help. It will really help them to bring technology into the classroom.